welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's been like a week since the last time posted a video, but now I'm gonna do again. It's been raining for like almost a month or more than a month, and there's flood outside my apartment. I mean the gate, and it's really like annoying. I don't really feel good since last night, yesterday, because I feel so down, but don't wanna go out. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm going to cook for lunch. I have shrimp. I've got it from last night. Oh, it's so cold. Here it is. So yeah, I'm gonna mix it with vegetables and yeah. So guys, this is the veggies I got from yesterday, from last night, and it's mixed vegetables. It's like I don't know when the rain's gonna stop. I mean, it's not raining now, but yeah, there's flood outside my apartment. I just wanna really, and I have headache because I slept like 3 a.m. last night. I'm just gonna. I just finished like cutting the veggies and washing it. Here. Yeah. Let's cook the shrimp first, just a little bit. Oh, I need to get the onions. I don't really use garlic because I hate garlic. I'm just gonna stay. Let's see the cooking here it is. Just until it's golden brown. Look at this. Oh, I love shrimp. Sorry, my kitchen is kind of messy because, like what I said, I don't feel really good since yesterday. That I don't feel like to do anything. But yeah. Look at these guys. I don't have eyelashes again. So, oh wait. There's something wrong with my camera. So bit brown. But I'm still gonna cook it. Mix it with veggies, so it's gonna be really good later. Oh gosh, look at this. It's so nice. And it smells good, guys. Okay guys, look at these. So I'm gonna turn this off, and I need look at the veggies also. So yeah. Oh wait, we're gonna put you guys a little bit of oil. And then this, that's onion. And then next is veggies. The veggies is the next. Look at this, guys. It smells so good. This is the shrimp. And I have cocoa nuts. It's fresh gata. It means good. So, let's see. It's gonna be delicious. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. Inubil ka nga magic sarap na. No. You know guys, at least now I can cook, because before I don't really know how to cook. Because my parents, my mom's always used to cook before. But yeah, when I move out, I don't really know how to cook. So yeah, then I keep going and doing now I know. Yeah, just about learning. Oh no, there's green chili. Oh no, I forgot. This is the green chili. I'm just gonna cut it because it's gonna be so spicy. Where's the other one? Ah. So it's almost done. Yeah, here. Just waiting for it to boil, and I'm gonna add the coco mama. This is not sponsored. So yeah, then I'm gonna add the shrimp. Well, I'll be right back, guys, when it's almost done. I'm gonna add this now. I don't know where my scissors are. This one's too small. I'm gonna add this now. Just put water. Oh, my lunch is gonna be so good. And then I'm gonna add our magic syrup. I hate this small one. Scissors, let's see. I have to taste I don't know. I have to taste it. I think it's right. Or need a little bit of salt. Because it's kind of creamy. Then I'm gonna add pepper. There's my pepper. It's parsley, bro.
Ranking the best in just a kid trend.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh, it's here. I see. Now it's boiling. I'm gonna add the shrimp now. Oh, look at this. Gosh, look at this. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So yeah, guys, let's wait a little bit after it boiled. Cover it, and then just for 5 minutes more, and then it's done. The Christmas, September, it's near, so I'm just really excited to decorate for Christmas. But yeah, the problem is I don't have decoration yet. But yeah, we'll see. Oh gosh, look at these guys. Looks so yummy. My mother's gonna be proud of me. It's boiling, but the veg is still like still raw. I think the shrimp's gonna be overcooked. Look at this. Delicious. Oh no, shouldn't have put the shrimp because it's gonna be overcooked. Because the veg is still raw. Oh god, made a mistake, but it's okay. We're still learning. Still learning, so yeah, it's okay. I'm dizzy. Okay guys, welcome back. So I think it's done. Yeah, I had to call my mom to ask, but my mom said if you think it's cooked, then it's cooked. But yeah, I think it's done. It's done. Look at this, it's so good. Oh, looks good. So yeah guys, anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully you can hear my voice clear, because I still don't have mic and I really need one. Yeah, bye.